welcome back to today's episode. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the simplest soft eyeshadow look for beginners. Okay, I'm just going to be telling you guys each steps and the various colors you require to place on each part of your eye, and I'll see you guys soon. So let's get into this video. To get a flawless eye look, you need 3 colors of eyeshadow. You need a crease color, that is a transition color. You need a contour color, and you need the main color. So I'm just going to show you guys the various colors that I'm going to use. So this color right here is going to be my transition color. This color right here is going to be my contour color, and this color right here is going to be my main color. So if you get this right, the transition color is the soft color, or like the cool matte color without shimmer. The contour color is the dark matte color without shimmer, and the main color can either be a matte or a shimmery color, but it should be lighter than the contour color and the crease color, if you guys understand what I mean. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys real quickly. So I'll start off with the transition color, that is this light brown shade here. I'm going to use this small brush. Okay, the small blending brush. Use that light brown shade, and I'll put that onto my crease like this. Okay, this area is called the crease of the eye. So that is my transition color. This transition color helps to blend in all the colors that you have on your eyes together. So I'm just going to put that all over my crease and then bring that outwards. So you want to make sure you blend. Blending is done in circular motions. You don't want harsh lines like that. Okay, so we're doing something very soft today. For the contour color, this color, I'm going to be using this flat brush. Okay, I'm going to pick some of that, and then I'll place this onto the contour area or the outer part of my eye, right here, gently, just at this point. Like that. So you don't want this demarcation between the contour color and the transition color. You have to blend in the 2 colors together. I'll use the transition brush, blend those 2 colors together, blend in all the harsh lines that I have there. Just blend that slowly, take your time. Then I'm going to use my concealer brush. Take a little bit of my concealer like this. Then I'll place that onto this part of my eye where I have no eyeshadow. This part is where you have the main color. So I'm just following the shape of my eyes. Use this flat brush to blend that in. You want to make sure the concealer sits in properly, or else your eyeshadow is going to crack. Like this. Then I'll use this gold color here. and I'm going to pat that onto my concealer. Okay. I'm going to go into my contour color and blend those two colors in together because we don't want harsh lines. So that is how you get an eyeshadow look. Okay, that is basically the trick. I went ahead to do this other eye, and that is basically how you do your eyeshadow. Okay, you just go ahead to play around with the colors that you have using the crease, transition, contour, and main color trick. Okay, so that's it for this episode, and I'm going to see you guys in the next episode. Bye.